Are you too tired of struggling with your code, wishing you could just do more with it? Maybe you wrote some slick code and want to test it. Maybe you have a lot of data but not the time to go through it yourself. Well, allow me to introduce you to my little friend, the ChatGPT Code Interpreter plugin. It's capable of some small things like video editing, downloading, and data visualization. You know, no biggie. Why all of us are on the hype train, and why you should be too, is simply because of the limitless possibilities that the ChatGPT Code Interpreter plugin brings to the table. This exceptional tool takes ChatGPT to the next level, empowering it to comprehend and engage with multiple programming languages like Java, JavaScript, and even Python. This plugin serves as an incredible bridge between the brilliance of the human mind and the processing capabilities of a machine. In this comprehensive video, we're diving deep into the essence of the ChatGPT Code Interpreter plugin. From unraveling the mysteries behind its creation to understanding its purpose and mastering the art of using it like a pro, we're going to take you through all of that. But first, allow us to address the elephant in the room. What actually is this thing? Now you may be thinking, hey, this sounds interesting enough, but I don't actually understand what this thing is. Well, allow me to break it down into very simple terms for you. Developers around the world have been clamoring for plugins to revolutionize the capabilities of the AI chatbot for a while now, and OpenAI has answered their call in the most impressive way. In a groundbreaking move in March 2023, OpenAI made the thrilling announcement that they would gradually roll out third-party plugins, with two of their own leading the charge: the web browser plugin and, of course, the game-changing Code Interpreter plugin. Described by OpenAI as an experimental ChatGPT model, the Code Interpreter plugin is like having an overly enthusiastic junior programmer at your fingertips, ready to take any and every responsibility you can drop on its head. This dynamic plugin creates a sandboxed environment with a robust Python interpreter that harnesses the power of an advanced language model. It's not just about executing code, it goes beyond that. The Code Interpreter plugin can do much more. We'll go into more detail on this a bit later. OpenAI's extensive user studies so far have pinpointed 3 key use cases where the Code Interpreter plugin truly shines. It can conquer quantitative and qualitative mathematical problems with ease. It can perform a deep dive into the realm of data analysis and visualization, unlocking valuable insights. And it seamlessly converts files between different formats, saving you time and effort. Now that you have a taste of what the Code Interpreter plugin is capable of, let's get into the nitty-gritty of just what it's really bringing to the party. And trust me, you're not prepared for this. Its capabilities. We all know that ChatGPT is a coding genius, effortlessly generating code from natural language inputs. But now, this plugin unleashes even more possibilities with a thrilling twist in the response format. Data visualization. The ChatGPT Code Interpreter possesses an extraordinary talent for transforming your data into captivating visualizations. Need a GIF of that visualization? Just ask, and this experimental model will deliver. One Twitter user showcased the plugin's prowess by demonstrating its ability to create stunning charts and graphs that are nothing short of mesmerizing. File uploading and downloading. As OpenAI proudly declares, the ChatGPT Code Interpreter has the remarkable capability to handle file uploads and downloads effortlessly. This Twitter user showed us the plugin's magic when they used it to extract colors from an image and convert them into a dazzling color palette, neatly stored in a PNG file. Clean data and generate insights. It's not just about generating code. This exceptional tool can tackle complex tasks with ease. Imagine uploading a CSV file and providing instructions in plain English. Sit back and watch as the Code Interpreter plugin diligently cleans your data and uncovers invaluable insights that will revolutionize your understanding. Convert files in seconds. With a few simple prompts, this plugin effortlessly transforms videos into GIFs. Yeah, this thing is actually that useful. And that's not even mentioning its increased 100 megabyte upload limit. A Twitter user astounded us all by demonstrating how the plugin turned an uploaded GIF into a longer MP4 file with a mesmerizing slow zoom effect. Can you believe that all of this is possible with a single plugin? With that said, if you're enjoying the video so far, consider hitting that subscribe button. In another awesome demo showcased on OpenAI's blog, ChatGPT showcases its prowess by tackling an array of tasks with an unmatched proficiency. Picture this: uploading a massive data set and commanding ChatGPT to interpret it, identifying trends, plotting graphs, and comparing variables. It's all possible now. And the speed at which ChatGPT accomplishes this is nothing short of mind-blowing. Not only does it generate the code in a flash, but it also executes it and presents the results flawlessly. In addition to that, it can even pick and choose relevant data when it comes to data analysis, showing its capabilities when it comes to understanding the underlying nuances of the data you need. OpenAI proudly boasts that this plugin has the power to make completely new workflows effortless and efficient, setting the stage for a revolution in coding possibilities, and we're inclined to agree. This plugin also shares similarities with the impressive GitHub Copilot X, as it aims to transform AI into a tool that enhances creativity and boosts workflow efficiency. When you ask ChatGPT to plot a function, prepare to be amazed. It not only delivers the graph itself, but also provides a captivating option to show work in a drop-down menu. Curiosity piqued? Clicking on this option reveals the exact code that ChatGPT created and executed to generate that stunning graph. It's crystal clear that this plugin has the potential to revolutionize workflows for coders, making them smoother and more streamlined. But it doesn't stop there. It also opens doors to a wider audience, making coding more accessible and intuitive than ever before. And that's something we're a big fan of. That's good and all, but how do I actually use this thing? Well, I'm glad you asked. How to install the plugin. Before we dive into the installation process, let's quickly address a couple of important details. First things first, ChatGPT plugins are exclusively, for now, unfortunately, available only to ChatGPT Plus users. To enjoy the benefits of plugins, you'll need to subscribe to the ChatGPT Plus plan, which costs $20 per month. This ensures you have the necessary access to integrate plugins seamlessly into your ChatGPT experience. At the time of recording, the ChatGPT Code Interpreter plugin is in its alpha phase and accessible through a waitlist. However, fear not. OpenAI has made all third-party service plugins available to its Plus users. Rest assured that the ChatGPT Code Interpreter plugin will likely follow the same installation process once it becomes available to all Plus users. Now let's dive into the step-by-step guide for installing plugins in ChatGPT. Step 1. Upgrade to a ChatGPT Plus account. To take advantage of plugins, you'll need to upgrade your free account to a ChatGPT Plus account. This ensures you have the necessary access and features. Step 2. Access the settings menu. Once you're logged in, locate the 3 dots next to your email address in the bottom left corner of the interface. Click on these dots to open the settings menu. Step 3. Enable plugins and beta features. Within the settings menu, navigate to the beta features section. Here you'll find the option to enable plugins. Toggle the switch to activate the functionality. Step 4. Start a new chat and enable plugins. Begin a new chat session. When using GPT-4, you should now see the option to enable plugins. This step is essential to integrate and access the plugin store. Step 5. Explore the plugin store and install. Take a moment to browse through the plugin store, which showcases an array of incredible options. Find the ChatGPT Code Interpreter plugin or any other plugins that catch your interest. Once you've made your choice, click the Install button next to the desired plugin to seamlessly add it to ChatGPT. Step 6. Enable installed plugins for usage. After installation, ensure that the installed plugin is enabled. This step ensures that you can start using the plugin's remarkable capabilities within ChatGPT. And voila! Just like that, you've successfully installed plugins in ChatGPT. That being said, the way every single OpenAI tool is continuing to completely revolutionize the programming and coding space is nothing short of extraordinary. Only time will tell where these possibilities take us, but for the moment, they seem limitless. That's all for the video, folks. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.